How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get 8-pack abs intense workout, not for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So I'm going to show you what I do for my 8-pack, you guys. It's not easy, but it's one exercise. I've been doing this for 5 years. So what you're going to do is put your hand on your stomach. Now, you're going to breathe air out, and when you breathe the back in, you're going to suck your stomach in as far back as possible and then squeeze your abs hard for 3 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. So it'll look like this. Out, in, hold 1, 2, 3, bring it out, hold it back in, 1, 2, 3. And we'll do a little workout. This is all I do, you guys, for the past 5 years. You gotta make sure when you bring it back in, though, you squeeze really, really hard. That's the whole point of the exercise. Keep going. Perfect, you guys. So I will typically do sets that last around 2 minutes, and I'll do about 5 sets. So in total, about 10 minutes, and that's all I do for my abs. That's it. That's how you get 8-pack abs. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.